Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I will be reviewing these full cover stiletto nail tips from Novo Ovo. And as you can see, that comes with the package. It has these number stickers that you can put on there, and these nails looked pretty sturdy to me. The cuticle area was really flexible, and the very end of the nails were pretty strong. So thank you so much, Novo Ovo, for sending these over to me. I apologize for this video taking so long to come out. Thank you so much for your patience. I truly appreciate it. And I am just showing you that the numbers aren't at the end of the tip like normal regular full cover tips. They're like right there above the buffed area. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but you could see that they're right there, just right above the matte part. And like I said, the cuticle area is really nice and thin, and then the end of the nail tip is really strong. So these nails were just, I just couldn't wait to use these. I wanted to make some Nicki Minaj copycat nails. I hope I can say that. I'm not sure if I can say that, but yes, I wanted to make some nails like hers, and I wanted to go ahead and use these were the perfect nails to do that. And these nails do run quite big. I'm normally a size 1 for my thumb, and this was actually a size 3. So yeah, the nail sizes are a bit different. But to get started with the design, I am going to go ahead and just apply my base coat, and you can use any base coat of your choice. I'm just going to go ahead and just use this one from Vetsy for the video purposes. And I actually didn't even buff or add primer to these nails. I'm actually running low on my primer, and I just didn't feel like buffing them. I'm sorry. So I am just applying the base coat, but normally if you are going to make press-on nails for yourself or others, you do want to go ahead and buff the nails or apply a primer, just so that the base coat has something to adhere to. But since this is just for content purposes, sorry, I am just going to go ahead and apply the base coat, and I cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here. I got this off of Temu. I've actually been really enjoying these colors from Temu, and I'll try to leave them linked in the description box below. I apologize if I forget to leave some products. If there is something that you are interested in and I don't put it in the description box, be sure to comment down below and I'll make sure to get that up. I'm sorry, whenever I'm making the videos I tend to forget what I'm gonna add, so I apologize for that. But with this color, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply one coat on camera, and then I'll cure for 60 seconds, and then I'll add the second coat off camera because these are pretty sheer, but 2 coats actually worked for this nail design. And I have not even used these yet, so I'm not sure how well the coverage is quite yet. I have other bottles, other colors that I just purchased. So yeah, but so far so good with these gel polishes. And for these nails, I am going to go ahead and paint French tips on all the nails. So this is the base color that I'm using, and for me specifically, I like my press-on nails to look like they're acrylic nails. So if you've never used acrylic like me before, right now I'm kind of practicing with acrylic, and you don't want to start using acrylic, and these are the types of gel polishes you want to get that effect. So anyways, here's how they look after the second coat. And I did just go ahead and put some black gel polish from Melody Susie on my nail palette. And first off, I am going to use chrome. So first off, I am going to use this matte gel polish from Nail Reserve, and I'm going to apply that over all the nails, and I will cure for 60 seconds because I don't want the chrome to stick to the base part of the color, because after I apply the matte top coat, I am going to paint the French tips with the black gel polish, and then I'm going to cure the black gel polish for 60 seconds, and after that I will go over the black part with chrome. And if you have any tips and tricks how to really like keep the chrome from getting off of the base color, if you understand what I'm saying, like I'd really appreciate it if you can comment down below, tell me how I can prevent that from happening, because even if I use matte gel polish, I still get some on there, and I do have to go and clean it up with some acetone and my cleanup brush. So if you have any tips and tricks that can help me out, I'd really appreciate it. It would save me so much time, so much effort to have to do that part. But yeah, if you're new here and you're beginning, then that is a trick that I learned. I don't remember who I learned it from, but if you apply a matte gel polish, it'll keep most of the chrome from sticking. So yeah, so I am just gonna go ahead and let you watch this process, and I'll be back here in a bit. Okay, so here's how the nails look after I applied the chrome powder and cleaned up the base coat area, the base area, and they just look so good. That Born Pretty chrome is like the best. I absolutely love it. I use the gold more often, but today was the first time I used the silver, and I absolutely love it. And I am just gonna go ahead and apply a glossy top coat over all the nails. And this top coat that I'm using specifically is for nails that I've used chrome with, and you want to make sure that you do that because you don't want to get chrome in your good top coat because it's gonna, you know, like contaminate it with chrome. So yeah, you want to just use one specific top coat for all your chrome nails, and it is in my Beetles gel bottle, but it is my Koopa top coat, so I just refill my bottles as I go. So I just wanted to let you know that, and I am going to do that to all the nails, and then I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. It was so much fun using these stiletto nails. Like, they're, after you applied all the gel, they were even more sturdier. So I highly recommend that if you've never tried Novo Ovo full cover nail tips, that you go ahead and give them a try. They are absolutely worth it. I've actually bought the little short duck nail tips and I absolutely love them. They have so many other full cover nail tips that you can try. I can't wait to try some more. Look at how good these nails turned out. They look exactly like the Pink Friday nails. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Novo Ovo, for this opportunity. I absolutely love them. Be sure to check out the link in the description box below, and I'll go ahead and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like the video, comment down below. I appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you later.